Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. This is Curtis Hyde with Colorado Computer Support, and thanks for hanging out with me for this week's Tuesday Tech Tip. Well, we always talk about how whenever you receive a suspicious email, they always want to delete and get rid of it, but you might have some curiosity, or it may or may not be something potentially that could be a threat or not. Well, there's a pretty cool tool you can use to be able to just have a starting point to search whether this email could be a potential threat or not if it does look suspicious. So you could use this system right here called Total Virus, and the link to get to this website is in the email I sent you. Go ahead and click on that, and it allows you to do a database or a web search to find out whether this is a potential threat, and it'll tell you whether it is. So you can actually drag and drop an attachment into the file, or simply plug the URL or website address into this tool, and it'll actually do a search to find out whether this is something that's been reported as a threat or a phish of an email. So it's a very cool thing that you can do for a starting point. Once again, if anything is suspicious, you never want to open it or do anything with it, but at least it'll give you a starting point to let you know whether it is looking suspicious or not. Maybe you should call your IT department or reach out to an IT professional. That way you can just make sure you're staying safe, but this will at least give you a starting point of what to do. So once again, it can do a file or a URL address lookup or even an IP address lookup to give you a starting point to find out if something is an attempted phish or a broken email that someone's trying to do a malicious attack on you for. So if you have any questions about this or about how to use this tool, or if you're just trying to improve email security for you and your business, feel free to give us a call. We're Colorado Computer Support. We're experts at what we can do. You can always reach us at 719-439-0599 or find us on the web at www.coloradosupport.com. Thank you so much for joining me for this week's Tuesday Tech Tip. I appreciate it as always, and we'll see you next time. Have a great rest of your day.